Hey guys, we'll be back again in this new video tutorial with the OSP Pro. In this video, simply today I'm going to show you how can you break or crack the Kaspersky, the trial version, if at all it has been now expired. Now I have one with me here. If you try to cross check, I have one with me and for sure it's really expired, and I can't use it anymore. It's expired. It was a trial version. Now I want this time around to see that actually I happen to deactivate it first of all from my machine. I uninstall it, then I remove it from my machine. Then next I happen now to upload a new one without me changing the windows. I know you've been passing maybe through this kind of situations, but let's now try to see how we can sort it out. That's it. So the first thing comes first. Always we shall always click on this Kaspersky Total Security to first deactivate it from our machines. So I'll go to settings, and then I'll happen to go to one on as additional. So make sure you select additional and go to one on self defense. First disable or remove this enabling the self defense. First remove it off. Remove it there, so that we just say we don't have any defense in our machine. Now that's first. Now the next thing that we are going to do at the moment, I'm going to leave the rest as they are to be default. Now let's just first go to let's go to our CMD. Just go to the CMD and make sure you enter the following. So we shall just enter the one known as rigid. Make sure you select that, type that, then you press enter. So what I'm going to disable at the moment, we would like to disable what known as the local machine where the security is. So open here, and then we shall be going to one known as software. Then we shall also be going to one known as Microsoft. I think you can just see Microsoft here. So I said this was the channel. This is how the stuff is done. So you go to local machine, then you go to software. Then inside software, you're going to look for one as system certificate. Look for system certificate. So system, which is here, said inside the software, look for one as system certificate system. So I have their systems here. Now we are looking for system. Shake mine again. Shake that again. Have that. Wow. So Microsoft is here. Then look for one on our system certificate. System certificate. I think you can see mine there. Then click on that and look for one known as SPC. This one here, around here. Click there, and then we have now to delete all the files you are seeing inside here. So the simplest way I'm going to handle it is just come to SPC and click there, right click and delete whatever's inside there. So just assure you want to permanently delete this key and all of its sub keys. Yes, I would like to do so that all stuffs inside it is no longer there. So I think now at the moment you can see, my friends, we no longer have that stuff known as SPC. So my machine is now, I think at the default, I no longer have now that stuff in my machine. So under system certificate, I no longer have one known as SPC, which is holding all the keys. So after doing so, next thing we are going to do at the moment is just to make sure that we uninstall a Kaspersky from our machine. Now to do so, you can also just go to control panel on your machine. Just go to control, and then we select that. Now you go to uninstall. So uninstalling here, I recommend you to uninstall Kaspersky. Where is Kaspersky? Kaspersky is here. So we're going to uninstall all of it, right from Kaspersky security connection, and then Kaspersky total security. So you can start with any of that. So guys, I'll just recommend right click, uninstall that. Uninstall that. That's it. So I know it's going to just continue and remove. So after uninstalling that, I also recommend you to uninstall this. So for that stuff is going to make machine restart, so I'm going to end the video from there. Thank you guys for watching, but do the same thing. Remove this one for Kaspersky total security, and also remove Kaspersky total security connection and Kaspersky total security. So let's just end the video there, and we'll come back later on when time for installing new trial version. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all.